What's that knock noise, that heavy knock noise coming from my car? Is that the crankshaft? Is that a rod bearing? Is that the torque converter? I'm Nate Bean with Integrity Automotive, and this is the Integrity Insider Minute. And we are located at the corner of Gilman, Boulevard, and Front Street in Issaquah. And if someone calls me, or if you're really asking that question, what is that knock noise? My answer is very simple. I don't know, and neither do you. Stop driving it, bring it in. A heavy knock noise is a clear indication that you need to shut your car off right now and have it towed to the nearest service center or nearest professional that can take care of it. A knock noise from your vehicle is not only irritating and bothersome, but it's a clear call from your car to say, shut me off, I'm not happy. So I can't even begin to tell you what the noise is. I'd have to hear it. I need to have one of my technicians look at it. But that's why we're here. If you're having a heavy knock noise, whether you bring it to Integrity Automotive or any other shop local, the point is, do not drive it and don't call around for answers, because the answer can't be known until someone hears it, and it's probably detrimental. I'm Nate Bean with Integrity Automotive, and that's the Integrity Insider Minute.